welcome to GoodGrid. Thank you for joining us to learn about sending referrals on our system. Today, we will look at sending a referral to another organization on GoodGrid, what we call an internal referral, and sending a referral to an organization outside of the GoodGrid network, what we call an external referral. We will also see what it looks like for a receiving organization or a client to update the outcome of that referral. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is a referral? A referral allows a service provider to refer clients to one or more organizations to receive services. In addition, the referral also allows the sender to attach documents and the recipient to provide feedback, or in our case, an outcome. But wait, how do we send a referral? Like many processes on GoodGrid, we start by navigating to your organization's workspace. Once you are logged into your organization's workspace, follow these easy steps. Click on the crossover menu, navigate to the client list, enter the client's name in the search field, click on the Actions button, select Assign, and choose Referral. Once the Add Referral pop-up window loads, the user will notice three tabs. The first tab of the referral is where the user will enter the important information to best inform the recipient of the client's needs. An organization follow-up that allows the recipient to provide feedback or an outcome. And finally, a client follow-up, which gives the client the ability to provide more feedback to the referring counselor. When assigning a referral, a few things are auto-populated for the user. These include the Post As field, which states your organization's name, the date fields, and the follow-up field. Now let's look at some of the other fields that are available. These fields are categories such as addiction and recovery or family care and support, which allow your organization and the receiving organization to accurately understand the specific needs of the client as well as provide important data points. The text region includes a referral title field and an Assign To field, which is a place for the user to search for and assign a recipient. This can either be an email or another organization workspace. And finally, a description box, where the sender can provide further context on the needs of the client. This will automatically populate to have default text displayed, which includes the client's name. Below the text box, there are tags that allow the sender to tag specific programs or services that their client is already associated to within their organization. Lastly, we have more options. This region allows the users to set a priority from low to high, attach a form from GoodGrid's Form Builder, set up meeting rooms, or even flag the referral to provide greater context, such as time sensitive or critical. Once all the required fields have been completed, the user can click Next, which will bring them to the next tab to customize the organization follow-up. On the Organization and Client Follow-up tabs, fill in the required information, such as follow-up and due dates, as well as attach any forms the recipient will need to complete. Then, click on the button Done. Now that you have sent the referral, let's have a look at what the recipient will see. Now that we've landed on the receiving organization workspace, let's view the referral. To view the referral, click on the referral icon in the crossover menu. This will take you to the referrals grid. Here, you will see all received and sent referrals for your organization. To interact with a referral, simply use the Action button next to the referral and select one of the 5 options. View Referral to view the referral and add any messages or actions taken with the referred client. Refer Client to send the referral to another organization. Accept the referral by starting a plan, a task, or get started using Manage Enrollments. Decline the referral, or ask a question of the sender. The recipient is also able to add an outcome that is visible to both the recipient and the sender after they have provided a response to the referral. To do so, Simply click on the outcome column next to the referral you would like to provide an update for. Again, after either accepting or declining the referral. The recipient is also able to add an outcome that is visible to both the recipient and the sender after they have provided a response to the referral. To do so, simply double-click on the outcome column next to the referral you would like to provide an update for. Well, there it is. To recap, in this video we explored the ways in which users can assign a referral using the Actions button found on the client list. We also took a look at how recipients can interact with a referral using the Actions button found next to each received referral, including adding an outcome. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback on how we can improve our training modules, please reach out to us at hello@goodgrid.com. Thank you for joining us and welcome to our community. Till next time, bye-bye.